add traditionally is called reverse Polish notation. 10 minus 8 gives you 2. All right, but this is based upon addition and subtraction in terms of like a checkbook. You always start with something, and then it's something, and then $100 minus that, or $50 plus that. So you really got to provide each number with a positive or negative value, and you're combining that. Now, total is a unique term that we use for Monroe calculators because you're actually totaling all these numbers. All right, so it's 10 plus 8 minus totals 2. Done.
Alright, and he's on the 19th entry out of 30.
Done?
You done?
What's your answer?
My answer is 6,868.
You're wrong. 68.24. Tell you what, we can go double or nothing me and you right now.
So I bet one of their $5.
That's fine. I'll take one of their $5. Ready? You ready? Set. Go. Ready? Go.
So, who's smarter?
I was amazed with how well the Monroe calculator worked and dominated Excel and mobile calculators.
The calculator challenge was fun. I actually didn't know what the actual Monroe calculator looked like, much faster than using the actual phone calculator or any calculation. It saves a lot of time when you need to find information or anything like that when you made a mistake.
If you had a multi-billion-dollar corporation, you can work on this one using a Monroe calculator. It works out.
I think Monroe would be the way to go for it. I mean, Excel has its advantages in certain aspects, like
You want to make sure the math is checked.
yeah, exactly.